Good morning from Grand Cayman. We have arrived. We're still moving. Tenders are ready. This is our next port of call today. Ooh. On our Caribbean cruise. Looking at very nice, very sunny, breezy, nice blue water. So yeah, welcome back. Hope you've been enjoying the cruise vlog so far. We've got a really exciting day today. So we're going to get a very quick and little breakfast. We've got brunch at Palo for lunch. We've got a premiere of Thor, Love and Thunder, which I've already seen, but we're going to go see again in the theatre. It's pirate night tonight, so we've got a pirate show, and we've also got the pirate fireworks later. We've got a nice dinner at Royal Court, which is pirate themed, so it's going to be a great day. So let's get started. Here's breakfast. They had some Mexican hot pockets, so I'm trying those. They're corned beef hash, mushrooms, turkey bacon, and then I got a muffin and a donut, but I don't think I'll eat both. I just want to try both. Mum's gone for her porridge. Is it nice with the raisins? Good. I have spent a lovely amount of time just sat on deck 4, reading, aircon, taking in the views of Grand Cayman, and now I'm gonna go meet the parents and we're gonna head up to Palo. Okay, we have arrived at Palo.
Some showers of blessing, but the beautiful sun is not over here.
Okay, so here is our lovely view from our table at Palo. Again, it's a bit rainy. Just deciding what we would like. Here is the brunch menu. Lovely. That's that question again.
Who's invented it?
Who's invented brunch?
Does that person have breakfast, then brunch, and then lunch?
It's a Hobbit thing, yeah. Second breakfast. No, people choose to go for brunch, so they get best of both worlds. But you don't have breakfast, lunch, and then brunch. Anyway.
If I have my expenditure full,
You're paying for this?
Just the
Well, yeah, obviously in the food as well.
it's just like, and I'll put more fat in the pan.
I think so, yeah. Yeah. Look at the rain. I don't know if you can tell actually. Coming down. We've got a mimosa coming, which is included as well. Very exciting. And then I think I'm going to get the antipasti and the ravioli. Cheers. Do you like it?
It's okay.
Yeah? You don't like that? Why? Okay, so we've been sent our bread basket and she said it was caramelised onion and gorgonzola bread, so I'm having some of that. And then we've got some pastries as well. Lovely. Right, you can jump in now. Oh my god. Okay, so here is my seafood antipasti. So I've got some gravlax, some ahi tuna, shrimp, crab claw, mussels, got a cocktail sauce, a lemon dipping sauce. Very excited to try all this. Mum started with cheese and ham frittata. Obviously she did not want the rocket that came on top. And then Dad started with the soup. And it's still absolutely throwing it down. Okay, so next we have been sent out a goat cheese and sun-dried tomato on 1/2 and a gorgonzola grape and balsamic vinegar flatbread on the other. Dad's gone straight in. Got my little pieces here. Is it nice? That's like my favourite gorgonzola.
If I had one, it'd be the gorgonzola.
Go on, have one little slice. Oh, one little slice. Oh, God. There's that little one there.
Oh, I do it now. But like when I open it, like no, I'm never gonna go like cover the sun.
Nice.
Oh no, I don't.
Grapes on a pizza.
A pineapple on a pizza? Pineapple on a pizza? Okay, so here is my artichoke ravioli, broccoli pesto, mushrooms and cheese. She also brought us out some lasagna, so we've got a little third of a lasagna each. Mum and Dad both went for the parmesan crusted chicken on the bed of risotto.
This one.
Here is my chocolate almond fondant and espresso ice cream.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And many more.
Oh, that's so nice.
Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you.
I get help.
That's so good.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna take them and
Thank you.
Just got to the tube and this weirdo. What are you doing?
How used to? You've never been in one of them?
Yes, I have been in a phone box.
You've never made a call from one of them?
I've never made a call now.
With coins going in, you had to push them.
No, I've never done that. God. We have come to the tube for theme park trivia.
Yep, we're up for this one.
I'm gonna see how we do.
Feeling good. Fresh in our minds.
Just been, so let's fingers crossed we actually know some of them. Are you still full?
Absolutely.
I know, I still feel really full.
Has anyone won any of the journals as yet?
No.
No one? The journals? No? Oh, perfect. Good. Well, we have them here for you.
Woo! Let's
We have
go.
4 journals for the winner. Now, it's time for theme park trivia. Everyone has their pencil? Yeah? Everyone have a paper, right? Alright, so again, it's theme park trivia with all the parks. Question 1 says, what are the vehicles at the haunted mansion called? Starts out very easy and smooth, if you like to read. What are the vehicles at the haunted mansion called? That was question 1.
We got
Be
11.
honest, okay?
Which
Everyone.
I don't think too bad.
Ready? So,
11's
let's go to
alright,
5.
innit?
Who had 5 right?
Yeah, 11's alright.
Yeah, keep it.
Okay, I've quickly come back to the room just to get ready for pirate night. So, because I've been Disney World, I didn't have the chance to bring a full outfit. So I've just got my pirate's bandana, which has been provided, and then this dress, which is kind of as piratey as I could come up with the whole black and flowery. I don't really know. It goes with the bandana. And then my black shoes. Yeah, it'll do. So, the plan now is to head to Walt Disney's Theatre to watch Thor Love and Thunder tonight. I've already seen it, but the parents haven't. And it's like the premiere of it being shown on the ship, so that should be really cool to go and watch that. And yeah, I'll see you afterwards. Just walking by the atrium, and we've got Pirate Mickey and Minnie meeting here, and Peter Pan meeting up on the balcony. There is a little bit at the end, but I'll just tell you what happens. Do you like it?
Yeah, is there something else to come?
Yeah, but it's only like 30 seconds.
What is it?
Dad, did you enjoy it?
Francis is a bit more.
You like it?
It was like a spoof one, weren't it?
Yeah, that's what Thor is now.
Yeah.
You don't know what to say. What do you mean?
I don't understand any of it.
Nothing. The end of it, Jane gets into Valhalla. Oh. Okay, we have come up to deck 11 for the Mickey's Pirates of the Caribbean show. So we are sat here. All lit up for Pirate Night. Thor was really good, loved it, and now we're ready for a show.
Together and welcome the most adventurous swashbucklers ever to sail the 7 pirates I know. Please welcome Mickey's Pirate Crew!
If you'll be ready to meet the rest of Mickey's famous pirate crew, let's hear a loud pirate cheer!
And now, without further ado, let's meet the rest of Mickey's pirate crew. If you think our first stop in here would take to a pirate's life like a duck to water, you'd be in luck. It's Pirates all on deck!
Next, we have that dazzling damsel would capture this here pirate's foul heart. While we unleash your cheers, who could be? Why, it's none other than Pirate Daisy!
I said, of course, for fun. How about you? And now, the most gangly pirate will ever trip over a gangplank. Let your cheers fill the sails for your quickie, Pirate Goofy!
Oh, deck you swans! Oh, and don't forget to have fun too!
And last but certainly not least, here we love charm of the pirate kisses and the beauty that smacks Captain Mickey's very heart. Let your cheers rock the seas, for here we the fair Pirate Minnie! We sure are, Minnie!
Me too!
Well then, with the crew all accounted for, I say, away, away, away we go! Come, ye daring young buccaneers, come and capture your treasure. Sail with us on the Zeppelin seas and find your richest reward. Adventures waiting for you. Come on, you brave young buccaneers, come live the life, the pirate's life. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come live the life we love. With a sword in each hand.
All right, big finish.
Away, 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 come live the life we love. Away, 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 adventures waiting for you. Come on, you brave young buccaneers, come live the life, the pirate's life. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come live the life we love.
To you a question, loud and proud, say aye, Captain!
And you dance a pirate jig, do it now and make it big.
Can you all be pirate gear? Shut up, crew! You know what to do! Pirate's favorite song? Loud and proud, sing along!
Yo, ho, yo, ho, a pirate's life for me.
Now what does a pirate like the most? Now shake your booty from coast to coast!
Now it's Pirate Stitch meeting. We are back at Royal Court tonight. Hi, for our pirate themed dinner. So we have our special Pirates of the Caribbean dinner menu. Let's have a look what we've got. So again, we've got our special drinks, appetizers, soups and salads. The bread tonight is Johnny cake with mango dip, interesting. Main courses. And then of course the veggie and the light offerings.
Nice. Nice, I don't know.
Oh jeez. Oh, it's like that cornbread we had. Our mango dip. Of course course number 1 tonight at Royal Court is a vegetable samosa. Mum has got the crab cake. What dip is it?
Something spicy.
Something spicy, I'm sure it's not. Also got tonight the shrimp. Looking very pretty. Okay, so for main tonight I have got my lamb shank, green beans, parsnip mash. Mum has gone for the seafood pasta, the jewels of the sea. It's got some shrimp and scallops in, hasn't it? Yeah. And Dad's gone for the strip loin, which has got a Yorkshire pudding. Is it a Yorkshire pudding? Actually looking good.
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Good. And here is our themed, oh, it looks like a bottle, that's cute. Ship in a bottle. Oh. Lemon raisin ice cream.
You then when I said you were like on the menu.
What?
Eat some ice cream.
Well, you usually choke to death, so. So nothing like a bit of pudding, so
Like a bit of
what are you thinking, Mum? I know what I'm getting. You're getting the Treasure Sundae, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Hi. Good. And dessert this evening is the macadamia caramel cheesecake. Yum, yum, yum. Mum went for the rum-soaked chocolate cake, and Dad went for the lemon raisin ice cream, pineapple, and what it was called?
Can't remember.
Now we're just walking out of dinner, and there's Pirate Donald and Daisy meeting. And then upstairs we've got Smee and Hook again. Aren't they funny? You enjoy your dinners?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah? Your favourite was the pudding, right? And your favourite was the starter?
It was okay.
Ooh. Not a big fan tonight?
No.
Nah. Oh, it's okay, I was going to say hi. Hi, Dan. Oh, thank you. Okay, a bit windy, but we've got our spot for the fireworks. I'm just literally sat on the floor right now waiting. There is the funnel. Waiting for the show to start. Dinner was really good, by the way, I didn't even mention. Really liked some shrimp, and my lamb shank was beautiful, and I really liked my dessert, so it was a good meal for me. I don't think Mum was impressed tonight, but yeah, definitely a good one. It's going to be hard to beat Palo now, because that was so unreal. But yeah, I'm excited to see some fireworks tonight, and then head to bed. What do you do with a lazy pirate early in the morning? Up she rises, up
attention, please. We are currently experiencing some technical difficulties.
Oh no.
Please stand by for further announcements. We thank you for your patience and understanding.
Oh dear. We're back. Hopefully. Let's see.
The sea's been kind today, but who can tell what lies ahead? Here's luck and a fair wind to you. And remember, dead men tell no tales.
Well, that's sweet. You might have seen your anniversary plate and put it out for you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And she's clearing up the chocolate once again.
Absolutely. Oh.
Did you enjoy the fireworks?
Yeah, they were good.
Yeah, to say what to say, it's pretty impressive, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We've lost Dad. He needed away and he has not returned. Oh, I've got my own character.
Have you what you got?
Got my own chocolate. You must know you nick mine every night.
I didn't. You don't like chocolate.
I do.
Let's put your sunglasses on.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, anyway. Another day is done. Tomorrow we are heading to Jamaica. Again, we've not got a port adventure booked. We just decided, we've had, like I said before, we've had such a full, intense 2 weeks. The cruise is more to chill, live the Caribbean lifestyle how it's meant to be, horizontally. So me and Mum are booked in at the spa tomorrow out with Mum.
Yep.
We got a day pass to the Rainforest Spa and we've got a pedicure each, which should be nice on our feet. And then we've got dinner tomorrow night, Animator's Palette, which should be great because obviously this is the dinner where we get to draw our own character and it becomes part of the show, so that should be really fun as well. There is a singer on tomorrow night and yeah, it's just going to be a nice, another chill, relaxing day here on a Disney Fantasy. So I'm going to say bye, thank you for watching, see you later.